These chocolate mousse cups are a dream. And lucky for you, they are so simple to make. You're gonna start by adding some heavy cream with some Hearthy Foods beef halal gelatin. It is unflavored and necessary to help stiffen the mousse. And we need to melt some semi-sweet chocolate chips. I am using the double boiler method. To this, I'm going to add some vanilla and some instant coffee, and then vegetable oil to thin out the chocolate and give it a nice glossy finish. Once your chocolate looks like this, it is time to whip some fresh cream. Now, I am adding some heavy cream to a chilled bowl with a chilled whisk and powdered sugar. It's going to take about 5 minutes to whip your cream. In the meantime, that heavy cream that we mixed with the gelatin, we are just going to melt it all together and add it to the chocolate. Once the cream is ready, add that in to the chocolate, and you're going to get a nice and fluffy chocolate mousse. You can literally grab a spoon and eat this as is. No one will judge you, I promise. It is that good. Or you can make some cool trifles. I added some chocolate cake to the bottom and I topped it off with this luscious mousse. And then I added some chocolate shavings right on top for that perfect touch. Now, don't these look amazing? You want to chill it though for just a few minutes in the fridge before digging in. Enjoy this sweet treat.